come that panel's not in? It's like Dan, I know. Everybody's afraid. Don't worry, no one watches our videos.
Let's take a break, man.
I know, you can take a break, that's fine. So this detail here, set back a ½ inch, raised up a ½ inch. So when our countertop comes in, so I'm going to be 3/4 of an inch.
Like a little chamfer to it.
With the chamfer back to here. So you'll be able to see that detail. So this wraps around the edge. That's the plan. So it's looking good. I'm surprised. I've never seen good work from this guy, but today really just hit it out of the park.
Time for you to go. I think it's time, man. You want to get buried in the cabinet.
Alright, so we're back the next day. We've got our scratch and brown coat applied. So the scratch coat has like the lines in it. The brown coat is this coat, and then that sits for about 2 weeks to reduce any kind of cracking. And then they come in and do the finish coat. That's pretty much all of our plaster work. In here we have cabinets were set on the back wall. Not all.
You don't have camera privileges.
Yes, I do. I have camera privileges. So we just have to tape and mud this area, get that prepped for those cabinets. But in the meantime, we got a little peninsula that's going to be set up today. Still working on this. Slow go. So what's happened is this is an existing wall, and it's not quite.
Yo, right?
You could say that. It's old.
All messed up.
All your stuff here.
Messed.
Oh, messed up. Okay. So we're having to fur that out, just so we get an equal depth from the front to the back, all along here. Otherwise, it looks pretty good. That's that. What else is going on? That's about it. Here's all of our cabinets just stored in here for now, and here. Progress on this back wall. That's not how it's gonna stay. I don't want to see any comments. That's just up there for that glue to cure. You can see here it's on this nice edge detail. It's on a 45, comes back. So that is all the way around the corner here. So it's coming together, looks good.
Yeah, a couple lines, so it's the jobs we'll fix it. Agree on the number and then just fix the cost. You know, usually they have contingency in it at that point, so we're good. Everybody spends more money on that, just half of that. You're not paying us.
Natural. Pretty good, that's good pose. Okay. All right, we got our cabinets, a lot of them in. So our kitchen comes all the way to this point, right where this little area is that we built out. We got pantry, double oven, and it goes all countertop. Our uppers are much higher. We're going for a different look here. There's our cutout for our exhaust. And then we've got our refrigerator here. So this little thing has our dishwasher peninsula, and our sink is going to be right there. So it's all coming together. Thank you. Like that?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It is beautiful. Don't ever question me.
Over here. Walk over here.
Okay, I'll mock it.
I have a countertop going in here. So when this is gonna be finished?
For a while.
What's going on? Oh, okay, so we're not doing
Because the owner decided to add a wine unit right here. That's what this is. But he hired the people from LA. They're not our guys. So they're scheduled to come out this week.
They were here yesterday.
They were?
Yes.
What were they doing?
Nothing. Complaining from
They were.
So this comes in, they mud this gets all taped off. mud that. So when it's all said and done, we'll have a nice clean edge transition. So here's the rough before it gets mudded. But they're working on that. All the way down. Looks pretty good. In here, ooh, that is cut out. Nice. Here is our bathroom. Walls have been floated. That way we make sure everything's nice and plumb. And then we can tile to that.
And he comes
That's right.
on the freaking camera.
Act like you're busy.
Thanks, man. You should be busy. I'll be here in the laundry room.
Hey, you just cut in front of my seat.
Come
What are
over
you
here.
doing?
Just stop talking and come over
No,
here.
no, no, I'm trying to get this. Hold on.
Just get over here.
No,
How many times are you gonna grab that mic control?
I gotta have the progress of it. I gotta
What
see.
progress, man?
Oh, you're putting the door faces on. That looks good.
Where this is gonna finish here?
Right there, right where you just put your fingers.
Here? We're gonna finish up to this?
We're gonna finish to this.
Or we're gonna finish up to this?
Yes.
So we're gonna keep the same distance here? To this reveal?
Well, it kind of depends on if it clears that switch over there.
Yeah,
See
we
that
got
switch?
switch right here.
Where's the switch is gonna be?
Right there, right where you
Outside?
see them.
We're gonna block this switch.
Well, no, you're gonna cut out a hole, just like that.
Yeah.
Haven't you done this before?
No? Well,
That's why.
I'll feel it
That's
right
why
here.
I don't have a problem you being right where that line is, and this being different from this. That's okay.
Okay.
Do your best.
She's.
Pero tenemos que poner un plano para acá, ¿no? Para hacer este hoyo.
Yeah.
You want the hinge left or right?
Yeah.
Right?
Why don't you swing like this?
We're gonna hinge that way.
No.
The hinge?
No.
No, güey, porque vas a estar
No.
parado
Like
acá.
this.
Yeah.
Oh.
The hinge is gonna be right
In
here.
the wall.
So you're gonna open this way.
Yes.
Okay.
He was doing something different. Completely different. The complete opposite of it. That's why I said no. All right. Looks good. Yeah, you can wave.
Then scratch your ass.
Oh man.
All right, I'm hoping you got some good B-roll footage. Now that Mike is done harassing the workers.
I do.
Figured I'd
They didn't
come over here.
harass. I wasn't harassing them. They were asking me
We'll let the video
how to do things.
show the
and
evidence. Although granted, Mike is the one that edits the video, so I
That's
may
right.
never know about how he
You
treats the
don't-
guys.
We have no idea.
So, did you already talk about how the cabinets went in?
I did.
Material
I didn't really.
selection.
I didn't do that. Why don't you do that for us, Drew?
Okay,
I just got some good video of the cabinets.
good. Well, you're seeing the cabinets are a little different than what you probably see normally. Not material-wise, but the material is a Shinoki veneer. I put up on Instagram a link to their little tag, but it's a pre-finished veneer, so you can actually get it out at the job, make it look even, so everything's nice and natural. You don't have to worry about maybe a different blend on the material, and it's a different look than what you might get from a salt or a clef, which we love both of those materials, but for this type of house, this works out a little bit better. We have quite a bit of height difference between the uppers and the lowers,
I could see that.
and that's
How much
prob-
higher would you say this is?
Probably a good 12 to 14 inches.
And that is in line with everything down below.
Yeah, they're actually flush.
You can see that there.
But that detail, when it comes in, is actually going to make a lot more sense whenever you see this finish, why they've done it that way. And it's going to be quite nice. Very modern, not Palm Springs modern, I don't think, but it's going to be modern. So,
New age modernism.
no.
Yes,
Rancho
your
Mirage.
comments?
Rancho Mirage modern.
Rancho
There you go.
Mirage.
I like that.
Yeah.
All right.
See the
All
camera
right.
guys. Not only do they do a great job installing,
They can
also-
explain things
they explain
sometimes. Sometimes it's hard because they slur their words so much.
I'm not gonna say anything. I was gonna say something.
oh, here, one of us is nice, the other one's a jerk.
No, I was not gonna say that. I was gonna say something. No, I'm not saying anything. I'm gonna shut.
You'll notice why we do most of our videos when there's no other traits around.
Yeah,
because Mike has a
exactly.
wonderful way with words.
Hey, everybody likes getting along with me. You could say that, yeah, because they have to. I went over this detail. This is recessed back.
Oh, it's gonna be
This is
fun.
a rough top, or sub top, and it's recessed back and it's edge banded around here. So when we finish that detail up, it'll look very nice. Basically, we're gonna have our 3/4 inch material. It's gonna come out to the face of the cabinet, chamfer back down to the top edge here. It'll look really nice. Is that our material?
No, that's not the material, but it'll give you a good idea. Essentially, we don't have the chamfer on this one, of course, but it gives you a good idea of what we're gonna do. It's gonna flush out. This comes back at an angle,
Yeah.
so you can actually see back here a little bit. So it's gonna be pretty trick,
Yeah, it'll be nice.
which we do have to discuss how we want to do the handles with
Yeah.
the owner. I think they should be down here rather than up here, just because of that detail.
Yeah, keep that clean up there.
Yeah. I'm not gonna be the guy that just leaves everything around.
There you are. That's you. Everybody calls you that. The guy that leaves everything around.
All right, whose soda drink is it this time? Is it from Circle K? That is yours.
I think that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like that, please hit the like button. Also, if you could please subscribe, it does help us out a lot. If you do have Instagram, you can follow us at Desert Custom Homes. You can also check our website out at desertcustomhomes.com. You can check out our past projects and latest projects. And we'll see you again next time.